Hey everyone, it's Stacy again with another unboxing and first impressions of two items that I just received from the Coach outlet. I ordered these. This one I ordered with the other videos I posted. It's just arriving. This one I ordered after, something I've been looking at for a while, but it keeps going out of stock, so I finally got my hands on one. So let's begin. So the first one is, I have an idea what it is. Oh. Hoping it's not one of these envelopes with the filling. It is, but let me be careful. Just trying to get it from the Great. All right. So the first item, let's turn on this light. Alright, so the first item is the weekly pill box in signature canvas. I also ordered the black one, but that one is still on its way. As you can see, it's in the gold, khaki, and black. Hardware is gold. The signature canvas is khaki, and you can see the piping going around is black. I wanted this not necessarily for the use of the pill case. I just wanted the item because I wanted to store my, when I wear contacts, when I travel with spare ones, this would be perfect for them. All right, here is the info if you need it. Okay, I paid, looking currently at it online, it's out of stock, but when I bought it I paid $38.40 for it. The last price that was listed was $51.20. So this is it. As you can see, it comes with the case that you would use for pills, vitamins, but I don't think I will need that. I just really wanted the case. Alright, so this is the case. Let me just put my contacts in it right now. See if it'll work out. I was using this other case for it, but I prefer a harder case. If you would like me to do a review on the contacts I use and the re-wetting drops, let me know. I plan on doing it anyway, so we'll see if I have the time. Always offer extra paper towels as well. So let me just put that all in there. Alright, so all my contacts, my backup contacts are inside of this case. Oh, let me give you the measurements. It is a signature coated canvas with smooth leather. It has the zip around closure. The measurements are 3.5 in length, 2.5 2.5 in height, and 1.5 in width. Okay, this is the weekly pill organizer. I don't think I'll be using. Well, this is it. The next item, let's get this open. All right, so the next item is, let's see what this one is. Oh, I can tell what it is. This is the Gemma Crossbody in color block with the apple buckle. I've been waiting for this one for a while because it comes, I don't have anything in a dark, or really this dark blue like that. Maybe I do. But this little bag is so cute. Look at that buckle. Okay, inside, let's see, this one is still available, so I will definitely link it in the description. So the material is cross grain leather. It has a inside zip pocket, as you can see. Is the info card anywhere? I'm not seeing it. All right, continuing. There's a snap closure, as you can see. All right. There's a open outside pocket. This may be the oxblood color that you're seeing inside, like the suede. Let's check out the strap. The mess I create unwrapping these bags, but I love it because I like unwrapping my own thing. What's going on inside? Okay. Oh, found the info. This is the info if you need it. It says the comparable value is $328. Currently online, I think the promotion is about to end tonight for the Cyber Monday event, which is 25% off. It's online for $131.20. All right, here it is, the Gemma Crossbody with the apple buckle. I paid $123 for this one, and it's online right now for $131.20. The colors are silver, which is the hardware, forest right here, and midnight navy. So you know the apple with 3 color gemstones inside. The side has the Coach, Horse and Carriage, and New York hardware. The hang tag, which is in the forest color. Coach is written on the, let's focus, on here as well. And the strap The chain strap has a measurement of 23.5 drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. The measurements of the bag, 7 inches in length, 5.5 in height, and 2 1/4 in width. Let's see if my phone will fit in here. Let me find a case. I don't think it will, but let's give it a try. All right, so let's give it a try. Oh, it fits. It definitely fits. I can fit a couple more items in there, but this is just a quick bag. Just trying to, so hard to close with nothing in it. But here it is, the Gemma Crossbody bag with apple buckle in the color forest and navy, midnight navy. All right. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll have something for you before the end of the week. All right. See you later. Bye.